Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English literature reader book our lesson 1 A Sad Case. Today I will explain you this poem and its exercises. Student, this is your English literature reader book. This is lesson 1 A Sad Case. It is a poem. Today I will explain you this poem. I cannot understand why we don't like the things it's wholesome and proper to eat. I wish that I just hated candies and cakes and cared for potatoes and meat. In this poem, poet is saying that I cannot understand why I cannot like wholesome food. Wholesome food means healthy food. Wholesome food means healthy food, which is very important for all of us. But poet don't like healthy food. The poet says that I wish I don't like candies and cake, which he liked the most. He says that I wish I like potatoes and meat more than candies and cake. It frightens me sometimes to think what I had do if only I had my own way. In a candy shop or a baker shop with no one to watch me someday. For if anyone left me alone with a lot of candies and cakes at my side. The poet says that sometimes it scares him a lot if he had only his own way. He's saying that in a candy shop or a baker shop, if no one watching him, he only eats lots of candies and cake because he like it very much. I firmly believe I should eat and should eat and should eat and should eat till I died. The poet says that he should eat, he should eat, he should eat and he should eat only those things which he liked the most. The poet liked to eat candies and cake, which is very unhealthy for health. So, in this way, the poet wished that he should also like healthy food, which is good for health. The poet of this poem is Edgar Fawcett. Edgar Fawcett was an American poet and novelist. He wrote many poems for children, but most of his works are forgotten today. So, we can say that the poet of this poem is Edgar Fawcett. He was an American poet and novelist. Now, we have to understand exercise 1. Tick the correct option. Number A. The poet finds it's difficult to. The right answer is eat healthy food. Number B. The poet actually loves to eat. The right answer is cakes and sweets. Number C. The poet knows that cakes and sweets are. The right answer is not wholesome food. Now we have to understand this exercise. Put these food items in the correct columns. Coriander, cloves, barley, walnuts, oats, cardamom, mint, almonds, wheat, turmeric, plums, basils. We have to put these food items in the correct columns. Cereals, dry fruits, spices, herbs. Barley, oats, wheats. We have to put these food items in cereals. Walnuts, almonds, plums. We have to put these food items in dry fruits. Cloves, cardamom, turmeric. We have to put these food items in spices. We have to put these food items in spices. Coriander, mint, basils. We have to put these food items in herbs.